Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, say happy Saturday, happy 26th. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Ukwezi is about to be Makele's Kama. What she thought Osamke will be to Makomala is what Kwezi will be to her, guys. If you've been following Utano's Tembo and Isingani's Tembo, you know Umakele, guys, she's this type of a mom, guys. She doesn't want anything ngengane zakhe, guys. She will do anything or protect her ingane zakhe, guys. You know, I still remember when Kwezi, she said she was pregnant. Umakele was like, no way, you need to do a DNA test. La kwamseleko, for ingane to be accepted, you need to do a DNA. And people were asking themselves on Thursday on Isingani's Tembo season 4, it is back, first episode. Ulwandle, he was the trending #1 guys. They found out ingane yakaKwezi akuyona ingane yakalwandle, guys. And Ukwezi, she's saying that, you know what, you need to be a man, you know, you need to talk to your mom. We're going to do second DNA, because that one, maybe there's something that they did for DNA to come out to say you are not the father. One thing about Ukwezi, guys, she's not going anywhere. She says she's not leaving her man, and we know very well what Olwandle Oyi mama's boy, guys. You know, he listened to Makele. Right now people are saying what is Yamkalela Umakele, guys. She has finally met her match. Lo daughter-in-law wakhe, guys, zizokhala for Makele, guys. You know, they still remember uMsamseleko once said ukuthi uLwandle ufuna beyindoda azimele, no, njengangompumelelo, guys. You know, akakwazi ukuhlala vikela uLwandle, guys. I still remember there was a time where Musamseleko said that uLwandle uzomela umuzi kaThobile Mseleko, and Umakele, she was not happy, guys. If it happened, Ukwezi and Lwandle, they do get married, it will expose Umakele, guys. We will see the type of mother-in-law she is, guys, you know, because we used to protect her, saying because when it comes to being a sister wife, say Abo Tobile, Abo Mangwabe, they don't respect her. Right now she has no choice, guys. So it is a lot when it comes to the family Akamseleko, guys. You know, they've been dating for 6 years, so there are chances Ukwezi and Lwandle do get married, guys. Ukwezi posted something on her Instagram story, guys. You know, we all know that reality show, it is not 100%. Maybe they cook the DNA so that it can be funny for the first episode. Yes, and is Tembo, guys, because obviously we know as people sitanda eat drama. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.